Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan on your EcoTank Epson printer. So basically what you'll need to do is open this cover off, and right here you'll see this little arrow. So make sure to put the right way. So if this arrow shows right here, I will need to put text like this, and basically now I want to close it. And if you want now colored scan, you can use this one, and if you want to black and white, you can use this one. So now I will try to do a colored one. So if I click on that one, it will basically now scan it and start printing it. So as you can see, now we will need to wait a little bit. Okay, it waits till it scans, and now we will get something like this. As you can see, you'll need to wait a little bit because sometimes it needs time to scan it. And basically now you'll get the scanned paper, and I will put the same paper right now for the example, and if I press on the black one, I will get the black and white one. So let's see how it works. And as you can see, now I did get black and white. So if this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.